In this video, we'll review Maze's card sorting functionality, which enables product teams to discover user mental models and speed up time to insight with tailored and automated analytics. To start, click Add Block and select Card Sort. It's helpful to start by selecting your card sorting type. A closed card sort will prompt participants to sort cards into predefined categories, which is a great option when you've already established terminology and structures for your users. On the other hand, Open Card Sort allows participants to create their own categories, which is helpful during exploratory stages of a project to understand user mental models. Click Add Cards to begin building your card list. Cards can be entered one by one, or you can paste in a list using the Add in Bulk option. Drag and drop to reorder your cards, add tooltip descriptions for greater context, and even associate an image with each card. If you choose to use images, you can then hide the card names as well. Click Done to save your cards. Next, determine whether you'd like the card order to be shuffled randomly, which is an easy way to eliminate any potential bias in your card list order. You can also choose whether you'd like to allow partial sorting, where participants can complete the task without sorting all cards. Finally, if you're building a closed card sort block, click Add Categories to add and edit your predefined categories. Card sort results display our participants' responses by cards and categories, as well as with analysis tools to identify trends. A closed card sort block will simply organize the cards by your predefined categories, whereas an open card sort block will display the categories submitted by the participants. In that case, any categories with the exact same name are automatically grouped together. Categories can be renamed, hidden, and even grouped. Use the checkboxes to select multiple categories. Add a new name, preview the updated metrics, then click Create Category. By expanding a category, you can see the cards that have been sorted into that category, as well as the agreement rate and number of users who have sorted the card into the category. The agreement rate here is the percentage of users who put that card into the category you're viewing. You'll also see an average agreement rate for each category, which is an average of all the agreement rates for the cards in that category. Use the toggle to view the same metrics for each card as well. The analysis tools include an agreement matrix and a similarity matrix. The agreement matrix groups cards under each category based on the highest agreement rates. Cells with significant agreement rates have a highlight color, which gets darker with higher agreement to help you visually identify trends. In this case, we can see that categories like dessert, snacks, and dinner have much stronger agreement rates than dietary preferences like vegan or vegetarian. Scrolling down, the similarity matrix highlights the relationships between cards based on the percentage of participants who sorted any two cards into the same category. Just like with the agreement matrix, the strongest relationships will be toward the top and have a darker cell highlight color. For example, we can see that 75% of participants categorized fish stew and turkey meatballs in the same way. With Maze's card sorting feature, your users are your compass for naming, navigation, and better product architecture. Try it today.